Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica with MH Divine Beauty and my new skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome, and we invite you to subscribe down below and activate the bell so you can get notifications every time we upload a new video. Today we're going to be talking about our Galvanic Facial Spa Device. This is really easy to use. All you need is 10 minutes 3 times a week and you're going to have beautiful and amazing results. What is galvanic? It's microcurrent that is delivered into your skin constantly. So what it does is, combined with our H-lock technology that we have in this device and our products, they go right into the source of the anti-aging process. They work to a cellular and genetic level. So it promotes collagen production, elastin production. So it's really good for fine lines, puffiness, to tighten up the skin. It gives you a facelift effect, and the more you do it, the more results you're gonna get. Okay, but you only gonna need it 3 times a week for 10 minutes. That's it. So it comes with 2 conductors, one for the whole face, this one, this is my favorite one, okay, this one, and the one for the eyes and lips. Okay, so it comes with a conductive gel that you can use this gel to do your facials. It comes with the owner's manual that I encourage you to read before you use the machine. It comes with a chart right here with instructions, what to do, what not to do, the contraindications, and on the other side it comes with a chart. Let me see if you can see it. Right here, the settings that you need, the conductor that you need for the treatment that you're gonna do on your skin. The galvanic microcurrent works with water. It activates with water. So it's really good if you take a glass of water before you do your facial. This one right here, let me see if you can see it. This is the on button, okay? So if you press it just once, it's all the setups here and it goes automatically to number 1. If you want to set up on number 2, just press it twice, or 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, it depends of the treatment that you're gonna do on your skin. So on the back of the device there is a button here. This button, you will press it in order to change the conductor here. Okay, so you just press it, place the other conductor, and this is good for the eye area, the lip area, or you can change it for the scalp or the body treatments. Okay, this device you can use it for your body too. It's really good for stretch marks, okay, or for tying up the skin right here or on your stomach. It's really good. Now right here, this part is where your hand has to be wet. Your hand has to be in contact with it at all times, because that's how the microcurrent is going to transfer into your skin. Now it's very important that you don't break contact with it, and you don't break contact between your device and your skin. If you break contact with it, it stops working and we have to start all over again. Okay, so make sure that your hand is wet, put it right here, and don't break contact with it. Okay, first we're going to clean our face, and I'm using the glycolic gentle cleanser from MH Divine. It smells so nice. And we're going to remove the makeup and the debris that it have on our skin. You can use a sponge or a paper towel or a face cloth. I'm using just this possible cleanser towels. Okay, remember that the skin has to be very clean. Okay, for better results, I'm going to use our facial gels. These gels have the H-lock technology, and they have positive and negative charge in them. So we're going to take the pre-treatment gel. Okay, this gel has vanilla extract, marigold, and sea kelp. That will cleanse your skin and moisturize it and prepare it for the treatment. I'm going to apply directly to my skin I don't like to put it on my fingertips and then on my skin, because I think, you know, you're wasting product on your fingertips. Now with your galvanic device, while it's off, you just disperse all the product on your skin. Now make sure your hand is moist and you touch the back of the device. Never break contact with it, okay? So now you press it to level 1 and it goes automatically. As soon as it touches your skin, you're gonna hear a beep. You hear that? Okay, so that means the machine is working. Okay, and then this setup, it's this gel over here, it has negative charge in it, so we set up our device to a negative setup. So negative and negative repels, right? The machine has negative charge and this one has negative. It is depositing the product in it, in your skin. So up, 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 massage. This movement are so awesome for your skin. Now the contraindications for this treatment is, like, if you're pregnant or if you have epilepsy or seizures or any heart device, you cannot have this treatment, okay? Very, very important. Your nose. Remember, we want to clean our skin really good. Now, the device will beep every 10 seconds. For the last 30 seconds, it's going to beep every 5 seconds to let you know that it's almost ready to finish the treatment. Okay. And that's it. That's it. So now we remove the gel from your face. This is a pre-treatment. We apply our H-Lock gel with negative charge in it, with the device set up on the negative charge as well. So what it did is it repelled. So because it was repelling between the device and the gel, everything that it was repelling, it was getting into our skin. So it was cleaning our pores even better, removing all the debris and makeup that we have left. Okay, so now we're going to clean our device. Okay, now we're going to apply our treatment gel. This gel has a positive charge in it, and it has argine amino acids, it has magnesium in it, so it helps to promote the cellular energy. All our products that they have the H-Lock technology, that means they're working to a cellular level. That means they're going right into the source of the anti-aging process. And that promotes the collagen production, elastin production, and it helps our skin to be nice and radiant. So now we're going to apply this gel in the same way, okay? I like to put it directly to my skin. Our device is off, and I'm going to just apply all over. Okay. For a better glide of the machine, I'm going to add some moist, and I'm going to moist my hand. And then again, on the back of the device, always make contact with the chrome side, okay? Set up our device to number 2. This one has a positive charge. So positive and positive will repel. So as soon as we put it on the skin, there you go. You hear the beeps and you start working. Now, on this number 2, it's set up for 3 minutes. Okay, so you go up, up, you press it right here, press and pull. Press, press and pull. Now go in to your nose. There you go. So press and lift, 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 everything upwards, lift. Go in to the nose. There you go. No pressure, going up, pull. No pressure. Okay. Okay. Right here, pressure, going up. When you go up is when you put the pressure. When you go down, no pressure at all. Okay. Going up, lift, lift, everything up, up, up. We're trying to have a facelift effect, so going up, up, up. You don't feel anything. It doesn't hurt at all. And it only takes 5 minutes. 2 minutes for the pre-treatment and 3 minutes for the treatment itself. Okay, going up, and remember, it's beeping every 10 seconds. Going up, lifting up, lifting up. If it gets a little dry, you can always apply a little bit more of mist on your skin. There you go. Here we go. Here we go. It's beeping faster now, so that means we're almost done. Almost done. Okay. There you go. And that's it. 5 minutes. That's all you need. Okay. So now we're gonna remove the gel. Because this gel, they're not meant to be left on the skin, so you remove them. And your skin is just, oh my gosh, so soft, so tight. Oh my gosh, I love it. I wish you can see, I wish you were here so you can see the difference in my puffiness. And I'm just recovering from a bad cold, so I still have a lot of puffiness on my skin, but oh my god, I love it. Okay, so at this time your skin is so ready to absorb all the products that you're going to put on. So I like to do these treatments at night because right after my galvanic facial, I like to put my strongest serums and let them work overnight. But if you do it in the morning, that's fine. You have to put your sunscreen before you put your makeup on. Okay, now your skin is ready for your serums and moisturizers. I'm going to apply the Energy C serum. This serum is really good because it has ascorbic acid in it. It's paraben free. It can be used for dry skin, for mature skin. It has antioxidant ingredients in it. It's really, really good, and it's concentrated. So you just need a little bit of it, just like that, and apply it on your skin. Okay, just like that. After applying our Energy C serum, we're going to apply our hyaluronic acid serum. And all you need is just a little bit. And with a little tapping motions on your face, a little massage, your neck, don't forget your neck. We're going to repair any dryness that you have in your skin. Like for mature skin or dry skin, excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, now it's all there and our skin is nice and soft, like a, oh my god, like a baby spot. So soft. Now the final product that you're going to use before your makeup is the sunscreen. This sunscreen is awesome. It's creamy, but it won't leave your face like white or anything. It's very light to your skin. It's suitable for all skin types, oily skin, dry skin, combination. If you have acne, this is really good. Okay, so it's SPF 30. You put it on. And our eye rescue cream. Every day, day, morning and night. Don't forget to take care of your delicate area of your eye, okay? Okay, we are ready to go. Ready to go. Okay, this whole process will take you about 12 minutes. 10 minutes with the Galvanic and 2 minutes for cleansing your skin and putting your serums, your moisturizers and everything. If you like this video, share with your friends. Let me know if you use this Galvanic before, if you like it, what products do you use with it, what was your experience, if you have it, for how long. If you don't have it and you want to get it, I'm gonna put all my information down here below, and I'm telling you, I love it and you're gonna love it too. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, smile, have fun every day of your life. Try to have fun. Okay, thank you for watching, and subscribe down below, share with your friends, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.